In this video, we will explore how to use Theme Builder. Theme Builder is a new tool in Joget DX9 that allows users to create custom themes on top of the base theme. We will start with a simple form, which we'll use to generate a list and CRUD. The form will include a read-only text field labeled Name, a text area labeled Remarks Comment, and a select box labeled Expense Type. Click the Generate App button. Check Generate List and Generate CRUD. Click Generate to build your app with the selected options. Close the app generator. Navigate back to App Composer. Click the generated UI. Navigate to Settings. By default, our runtime will use the DX8 Trimeta theme. Launch the runtime to view the UI. Our current UI will look like this. Let's create a theme to change it. Navigate back to App Composer and click Add Icon under Theme Builder section. Enter a unique ID and name for your new theme. Click Save. Theme Builder consists of two sections, Global and Component. The Global section is used to adjust the overall look and feel of the app UI, including menu layout, colors, sizing, and styling. The Component section is used to configure different UI components, allowing for detailed customization. Let's start with Global section. In the Properties panel, click the Menu Position drop-down. Select the dark horizontal header for navigation. Click Apply Change to save and view the updates in the preview. Change the primary color. Click Apply Change. Change the header color to update the header bar background color. Click Apply Change. Change the sidebar menu background color. Click Apply Change. Expand the Advanced section for even more detailed theme customization options. Select the folder icon to upload the favicon file. Select an image from your folder. Select the uploaded file. Select the folder icon to upload the logo file. Select an image from your folder. Select Uploaded File. Click Apply Change to save your new favicon and logo settings. Click Save. We can view the customization reflect in the preview. In this sample app, we have a table and a form. Let's customize their colors to match the top navigation bar. Navigate to the Components section. Navigate to the Table component. Change the header background color. Click Apply Change to update the table appearance. Customize the header Sort Active background color to highlight the sorted column in the table. Click Apply Change. Adjust the header Sort Hover background color to change the effect when hovering over sortable headers. Click Apply Change. Update the row hover background color to define how rows appear when hovered over. Click Apply Change to save the row hover background color. Adjust the background container color. Click Apply Change. Pick a color for the background of selected table rows to emphasize user selection. Click Apply Change. Let's change the text color to white to create a stronger contrast with the background. Select the header color field to adjust the color of your table header text. Click Apply Change. Click Save. Next, we'll modify the form. Navigate to Form by clicking the Form component on the sidebar. Change the header background color. Click Apply Change. Change the card heading color to white to contrast with the header background. Click Apply Change to save card heading color. Click Save. Navigate back to App Composer. Now that we're done creating the theme, let's apply it to the UI and launch the app. Navigate to UI Builder. Click Settings. Change the theme. Select the created theme. Click Save. Launch the app. And that's it. We've successfully created a new theme and applied it to our UI. The favicon also changes to reflect our updates. As you can see, the global and component customizations now reflect in the runtime. And that's a wrap. You now know how to create and customize your app theme. With the Theme Builder, designing your app's colors, layouts, and components is easier than ever. So go ahead and make it truly yours.